Aloha mai nei kako o Tracie, Keolalani Keia. If you would like more information about me, you can visit my website at traciekeolalani.com, and there you can get my songs, my materials, merchandise, and also sign up for my newsletter where you can get the most current updates for what's happening next month. 3 ways to answer the question, how are you in Hawaiian? But before we get started, make sure you leave a comment below after watching the video. Let me know what you thought. And also, stay till the end where I'll give you a very important tip in answering the question, how are you? So let's get started. So when someone asks you, Pehea oi, how are you? The first way that you can answer, Helue kahi, is Maika'i au. And that means, I am fine. E ho'opili mai, repeat after me. Maika'i au. Maika'i au. So the second way, helu elua, that you can answer is fine, thanks, and you? And that would be Maika'i, mahalo, a o'oe. E ho'opili mai, repeat after me. Maika'i, mahalo, a o'oe. Maika'i, mahalo, a o'oe. And the third way, helu e kolu, that you can answer would be okay, kinda good, and that would be ano maika'i. E ho'opili mai. Ano maika'i. Ano maika'i. So your tip for today is mino aka. And mino aka means to smile. That will always make you and the person that you're talking to feel better. If you would like a couple more ways to answer that question, how are you? You can visit my course at courses.traciekeolalani.com. If you're an educator and you would like the PowerPoint slides for this lesson, you can visit my Teachers Pay Teachers site, and the websites are listed below this video. Mahalo for joining me today, and ahui ho.